This video is sponsored by Surfshark. I'm sorry. It was fun whilst it lasted. By now, you've probably watched the Scotland road trip, and if you haven't, click in the top right hand corner. Now it's my job as a content creator to make content and create talking points. And this R8 has done exactly that. Now unfortunately the harsh wintry roads of Scotland have took its toll on the wrap of the R8 and parts of the car. Not so bad, right? I could probably fix that in a couple of hours. New wrap on the side skirt, new wrap on the bonnet, and change the front splitter. But let me just remind you, this is YouTube and this is my channel, and we don't do things by half measures.
Back on deck on my fly, really on my, pay some respect to my mindset, head blowing smoke, catch a contact, really mad they can't stop.
In fact, the more I think about it, it was actually really good for the channel. Because it was such an unusual colour, it got people commenting. A lot of people liked it, but a lot of people hated it as well.
Make her eyes roll when I slide in. Neck on wrist on shaman. Tell them say less, no comment. And we only here for the commas.
Pull up and how about we slide? Load it away from beside me. Be lying.
So if the colour was so good, why change it? Well, reason number one, I just fancy a change. Reason number two, now we're at that time between Christmas and New Year where things sort of come to a halt. No one really knows what day it is and nothing really happens. Now as you know, the Maserati is almost ready to have a Liberty Walk kit fitted to it. Problem is, I can't fit the Liberty Walk kit to it unless I've got the wheels first. The wheels are obviously going to be much wider than those standard ones, and I can't do anything until those wheels are here, so we're sort of stuck with that. We're at the same situation with the C63. We're going to start to pull the frame and everything, but the frame shop's closed during Christmas. And reason number three, when I finish this project, it's going to go to one of you guys, and I'd hate to see you guys get trolled as much as I did. Not really, I didn't get trolled that bad. It's just some people didn't like this colour. End of the day, I'm just bored and I fancy a change. So, let's carry on stripping this car and we'll show you what's next.
Like they ride the bus, them pretty wanna ride my the vibe is us. Sergio Ticini eating.
Well, would you look at that? It's quite sad actually. Oh, don't be sad, just look on the bright side. When you get home, you've got tons of films to watch on Netflix. But I've watched nearly every good film that's on Netflix. Well, if you've watched all of them, then you obviously haven't been using Surfshark. What's Surfshark again? Here we go again. Surfshark is a VPN, or a virtual private network. That means it encrypts all the data sent via the internet so no one can steal your passwords, steal your videos, see your private messages, or know what you're doing online. If you think public Wi-Fi is safe, then you're wrong. It's a gold mine for hackers. As I've mentioned, if you run out of things to watch on Netflix, then go to Surfshark in your top right hand corner, change your browsing location to somewhere like Italy, and enjoy plenty more content that isn't available in your country. He's right. So to get Surfshark today, click the link in the description box below, use code Armstrong, and you're going to get yourself 84% off plus an extra 4 months for free. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is literally no risk. Thanks, Surfshark. Time to get back on with the R8.
1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. I don't have any favorite, just give me any kind. Even if it hurts a bit, I think I will be fine.
And that is it. The R8 is fully stripped. kind of sad to see it like this again. Back to its original colour, blue, and the paintwork, yes, is horrendous, as we discovered in the early days of owning this R8. But I kind of feel like I have a really big attachment to this car. I think that's because everything that I've done to this car, I have actually done it myself. Literally every single thing. I know this car inside out now, and especially after driving it thousands of miles as well. So now what? Well, of course, a new colour. Let's go get it. Now, over the previous videos, I've been known for doing a few wild, wacky and out there colours. Let's see what we've got here. But this time, for some unknown reason, I've played it safe. Nardo Grey. Now, Nardo Grey isn't the most imaginative colour I could have chosen for the Audi R8, but I know it's going to work. So, let's get to it.
Don't jump into that car tonight. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind.
The Nardo Grey is looking so clean. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And a lot of you who have not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. Right, wrapping a car is very time consuming, so... Well, that was quicker. Door done, bottom quarter, rear quarter done, top done, side skirt not done, bonnet is next. Let's get to it. It's going to be interesting to see what the gold wheels look like against the Nardo Grey. I think it might look okay. For now, let's get on with the bonnet. Yes! That was definitely first try. I haven't done that in a long time. So this wrap that I'm using is called Hexis, H-E-X-I-S. I bought about 18 meters to wrap the R8, which is probably under 500 quid. I think this is probably the easiest wrap to work with, but I think Inozetek that I used before gave a better finish. If you fancy learning to wrap, then just go buy some Hexis wrap or something and just try wrapping maybe some small things like the wing of your car or something like that. If you fancy getting your car wrapped and you don't fancy trying it yourself like me, or you don't have a place to do it, click the link in the description. Malibu Performance could probably give you a quote and get it done for you there. There's loads of colours to choose from. Now, let's carry on. Yes, look at the rear bumper, it is now on. It looks really good with the gloss black in the middle as well. Although the Nardo Grey is kind of subtle and not as loud as the gloss sand colour from Inozetek, I think it's going to look so sweet. I think any colour on this R8 would look sick. Disagree with me if you must, but put in the comment section below, how is it looking so far? We've got the front bumper to go, the side skirts, and then all the Maxton design kit to go on it. Obviously we have a replacement splitter as well. Right, let's get this bumper done, then finally the side skirts. Come on!
I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, then I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, out the runway. Different incomes, not one way. Living life on a one way. I knew this would happen someday. You can ask my day one day. Cloudy days turn to sun rays.
How sick does that look? The sandgloss wrap, when I first wrapped it, I wasn't too sure and it sort of grew on me. But this, now with the wheels on, is looking so sick, and it actually looks so good. I can't wait to finish it and get it on the road now. It's looking so good. I really don't think we gave Wheelmania enough credit for these wheels. I think with the sandgloss it works, but with the Nardo Grey it works even better. Look at the contrast. Oh, it looks wicked. So we've got the side skirts left to do. We've got the carbon blades left to put on. We've got the grille left to put on the front bumper. Door handles left to put on. We have got a fair bit left to do. And of course, I've got a new spoiler which will be going on as well. I'll show you which one we chose in the next video, unfortunately. I've just put the wheels on now because I've got to obviously wrap the side skirts. Now, I wouldn't usually do this, but I'm really sorry and I'm gonna have to. I'd love to finish it all off in this video, get it outside and show you the finished product because I really think it's just going to completely transform the car. Thanks, Kevin. Thanks, Kevin. But we are running out of time and I'm really sorry. I'm going to have to leave it with this video. If you're new here or you've not clicked subscribe, click that subscribe button because in the next video we're going to finish this off. Side skirts, front splitter, new spoiler. I'm going to get it outside and finally see what it looks like. The whole car will be transformed, I tell you that. But for now, Happy New Year. See you in the next video, which will be very, very soon, as quick as I can get this done. Peace out.